Good morning, students. You already know that a sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. It begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, a question mark, or an exclamation mark. A complete sentence has two parts, a subject and a predicate. The subject of a sentence is the noun or pronoun about which we are saying something. It may be a word or a group of words. Next, the predicate refers to what is being said about the subject. It always includes the verb. For example, Mohit is playing in the garden. In this sentence, Mohit is the person we are talking about. It is the subject of the sentence. The remaining part of the sentence tells us something about Mohit. So, it is a predicate. The subject tells who or what the sentence is about. The predicate tells what the subject does or is. The subject is the doer of the action. The predicate is the action itself. A subject has a noun or a pronoun or a noun phrase. The predicate always has a verb. Remember, when you ask who or what to the verb in the sentence, you get the subject of the sentence. Let us now pick out the subject and the predicate from a few sentences. The horse ran in the field. In this sentence, verb is ran. When we ask the question, who ran? The answer is the horse. So, the horse is the subject and ran in the field is the predicate. Next example, the monkey swings from one branch to another. Verb is swings. When we ask who swings, the answer is the monkey. So, the monkey is the subject and swings from one branch to another is the predicate. The subject is usually placed at the beginning of the sentence, but in some cases the subject may also comes in the middle or at the end of the sentence. To identify the subject, ask who or what to the verb. For example, how hungry I am. Verb is hungry. Now ask question, who is hungry? Answer is I. So, I is the subject and the rest of the sentence is the predicate. Next sentence, what did you eat for lunch? Verb is eat. Now ask question, who eat? Answer is you. So, you is the subject and what did eat for lunch is predicate. In imperative sentences, the subject is not mentioned. It is understood to be you. For example, keep quiet. Now ask question, who keep quiet? Answer is you. So, you is the subject and keep quiet is the predicate. Next sentence is, stop the car. Verb is stop. Now ask question, who should stop? Answer is you. So, you is the subject and stop the car is the predicate. Let's see some more examples. First is, Our trip to Manali was amazing. Verb is was amazing. Now, what was amazing? Our trip to Manali. So, our trip to Manali is the subject and was amazing is the predicate. Next example. On the chair lay his sweater. In this sentence, verb is lay. What lay? His sweater. So, his sweater is the subject. On the chair lay is the predicate. That's all for the day. Have a blessed day. Thank you.